This wasn't human noise. It was something else, something artificial. And what makes this even more startling is that the source was moving away from the telescope. That suggests it came from a star system far beyond our own. It's faint, yes, but unmistakably artificial, a potential first contact, one that could change everything. The implications are enormous. If this signal is real, if it truly comes from an extraterrestrial source, the consequences for humanity could be staggering. What we once thought belonged only in science fiction may now be knocking at our doorstep. Recently, the Parkes radio telescope detected an unusual signal, one unlike anything we've ever encountered before, a narrow-band transmission, artificial in nature, coming from the Proxima Centauri system. And here's what makes it even more intriguing. The signal was moving away from the telescope, hinting it might be coming from something orbiting deep in space. At first, the signal was dismissed as background noise, just another interference, but thanks to new technology, scientists were able to amplify and analyze it in far greater detail, revealing something far more compelling. So the question becomes, what's really going on here? Is this the first sign of an alien civilization? Why did it take so long for us to uncover its true nature? And what exactly is hiding in the Proxima Centauri system? If this is from an advanced civilization, what are they trying to tell us? And why now? We're going to break down what all this means, and the answers may shift everything we know about life in the universe. The signal from Proxima Centauri was unlike anything we've ever detected before. Narrowband, unmistakably artificial. It became clear this wasn't just another random anomaly. It was purposeful, designed, and that changes everything. For the first time, we may be looking at real proof of extraterrestrial intelligence, and the fact that it's coming from Proxima Centauri, a star system so close to us, makes it even more significant. This isn't some unreachable galaxy on the edge of the cosmos. This is within our reach, within the very frontier of our technology. So why now? The answer lies in technology. Advancements like phased array multiplexing have allowed us to detect signals we would have missed just a few years ago. This breakthrough may have opened the door to a flood of signals waiting to be heard. Signals that have been out there all along, just waiting for us to build the tools to catch them. But how do we know this isn't just interference? That's a fair question. The key is in the nature of the signal itself. Narrowband transmissions are almost always associated with technology. Natural cosmic sources, like pulsars or magnetic stars, tend to emit broad, irregular signals. This one, too precise, too deliberate, too intentional, and the fact that it's moving away from the telescope only deepens the mystery. So what could they be trying to tell us? The message isn't clear yet, but it's there, waiting. Perhaps waiting for us to be ready to understand. Each new detail brings us closer to what feels like the beginning of something far bigger than we've ever imagined. Could this signal be the start of an ongoing conversation? And if we're hearing this now, what else might be out there waiting for us to listen? How we respond may define our place in the universe. The source remains a mystery. It could have come from Proxima b, an exoplanet in the habitable zone of its star. But that leads to the next question. Is this a one-off event, or the beginning of something much larger? This discovery doesn't just raise questions. It opens doors. The very tools developed to capture and analyze this signal could help us detect others across the cosmos. But the truth is, we're only at the beginning. The real questions are just starting. How do we decode the message? And what does it mean for the future of space exploration? For centuries, humanity has asked the question, are we alone? And now, we may be closer than ever to an answer. This moment isn't just about science. It's about awe, wonder, and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Still, curiosity must come with caution. What does it really mean to know we are not alone? This question could define the future of our species. The adventure is just beginning, and the universe is waiting. We've tried before to find extraterrestrial life. SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, has been listening for decades, but this discovery suggests we may need to change our approach. Instead of just listening, maybe we should start looking for signs of advanced technology. What if there are planets like Proxima b, where city lights or even massive structures betray the presence of life? The idea has captured public imagination like no other space-related discovery in years. People around the world are glued to every new update, because the thought that another civilization might exist just a few light years away is both thrilling and terrifying. But beyond the excitement lies something even more profound. The potential discovery of intelligent life forces us to rethink our place in the universe. We've long seen ourselves as the pinnacle of evolution. But what if we're not? What if Proxima b really does host life as advanced or more advanced than our own? And that raises new challenges. What if they see us as a threat? What if their technological achievements far outpace our own? Or on the other hand, what if they have answers we desperately need about sustainability, survival, or the dangers of unchecked progress? One thing is certain: if this discovery is real, it will demand unprecedented international cooperation. Studying a planet light years away isn't something any one nation can do alone. It will take global collaboration, much like the International Space Station, but on a scale we've never seen before. We are on the verge of something extraordinary, a discovery that could redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. And this is only the beginning. The universe is vast. The signals may only just be starting, and the adventure is far from over.